Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform an additional operation in nonary numbers. In nonary numbers are numbers in base 9, and in nonary numbers we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In order for you to perform an additional operation more easier in nonary numbers, you have to be familiar with this chart. 9 in base 10 is equals to 1, 0 in base 9. 10 in base 10 is equals to 1, 1 in base 9. 11 in base 10 is equals to 1, 2 in base 9. 12 in base 10 is equals to 1, 3 in base 9. 13 in base 10 is equals to 1, 4 in base 9. Let us solve some problems. You have 7, 8, 6, 5 in base 9. Plus 3, 4, 7, 8 in base 9. Five plus 8 is 13. 13 in base 9 is 1 remainder 4. You write 4, carry 1 to the next one. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 in base 5 is 1 remainder 5. You write 5, carry 1. You have 9 plus 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 in base 5 is 1 remainder 4. Carry 1. The next you have 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 1 remainder 2. You write remainder. Take the 1 to the next, bring it down. You have 1, 2, 4, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 4 in base 9. For examples, you have 4, 5, 3, 0 in base 9 plus 6, 2, 8, 5 in base 9. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 in base 9 is 1 remainder 2. Right? 2, carry 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 in base 9 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 in base 9 is 1 remainder 1. Take it to next one, bring it down. You have 1, 1, 8, 2, 5 in base 9. Thank you for watching.